Premier League so asai I will tell you yeah shabo no team nipa kura mo to 300 nipa yeah ba Atinkan FM Atinkan FM Muchikawa Atinkan FM the big news I see Okrumha. What you do can what a Zakitonka said you ha na Ghana minor and said you baby. Yan can cry, mine best say no crown see a car. Mention got to Coneha says here. For house for every watch house was said you more. Omone wafa. Kotokoni Mina Saxibo. 6th of June, our Accra International Conference Center will be a referees are from 4 over 100. Me who is so mudibo. Me make your munato, your master, your muito, and ra. Simi 2 hours 25 minutes. Nana to Hashem 5 minutes. Wasake president. 2 hours 20 minutes. Now, the tip of the iceberg across the arrest of the president of GFP. Nana do Danko Akufo-Addo. Ne humbo mnintino. Murikasa. Na Murikasa. What is Sake? Director General of Sports Authority. DNSA. You call Commonwealth Games by DNSA. The DNSA. You call Commonwealth Games, visa scandal, MPP 4, Modi Omonkro 4 call, you be too corruption, say DNS 2 months in here. Osake, chairman of National Sports Authority, Kojoba, Mika, Omonam Kroma, Deputy Sports Minister, or Tesabaya, Nana letter, only for Nana letter. Why a logo next you want to buy a template suspend over suspending chroma nipa in an account? Take action no may always hold the part to counter back and don't pay enough. I'm confound Moko Sika because Oji will be Sika so the name cost a journalist from a journalist. Wabo Chrono. I am criminal. I am misrepresentation. What are you forgery? Omonamwa obianam kroma 2 months in a work na natural death. And you President Mama ya was still doing Yantechi or still do Walanagra or still do Adoba or still do a free anchor and now we are West suspension president. Nana Udi clearing agent no who yama Yantechi the other catwa the stamp of us so clearing agent. Ghana for show him cause social media na correct reaction. Uba we say 53 na motoma no krabi amu wiem Ghana for nipa 60% na toma. Omo man kwato oba nyina na omo pew. Ghana for do this away anti-corruption campaigner. And now obi tu kwan akwa de eyema hina me pesa metene say yes no obrake. One make a plane take it Atna business class akọ Dubai akọ brage. Why the better take it as Atna business class twice? Akọ brage in the foreign account. As in the foreign account. If it's scheme. Now Okoya or Chakwan or the president or Buboni Pomone president did Mr. Asenso Nana yase own kayasem Nanado yase own kayasem Nana. And young me a community say Mampani ami huna na mi bunko to je me se papa e wa bre kume prakon. Wa bre okroma ni e chiutum ni e ju atam untumi nya president da. Yase ya disika ba so onye we Ghana we Attorney General who di nsem bebre free and na say na wo boy 5 million Bakayoko betima to 10 times enya kwesi nyantechi oye wadamfo a ofa Ahmed no na wura Flagstaff ofa Platini no na wuram Infantini no na wuram na Pia Mensa yes omo koma Ahmad award na ku wani mase Ahmad ni kuro Madagascar man award nyantechi pe position ne anyama we bi mo ope wo pesa man for us no Ahmad doctorate degree obi obedi ka president any 1 year edi enti no moma Ahmad award nyantechi say watime tu hayatu a watna se ache na watna se cha enye nyantechi so ye the longest serving FA president in the world one obi award say watu obi a watna se ache utu ni wie oba na award ni wie ya wo say obesa o sam contest game greedy man na masos Nanado, adio ya also so we call University of Professional Studies on the power which are now committee to die. Ahmad, Nikro Magaja, now to ocean bottom ocean back pocket or naso. And your front or naso. What Nana Piaments and no more Flagstaff house. We have seen, we know what is going on. Now we know what is going on. Ministers Libya confess their chairs and they come to you, they sit at the lobby of the Flagstaff. Nyantechi enters and goes. It is true, Nana. Nana, you are in his pockets. If you are not, come out today. Muramu say arrest. I fed the invitation. I fed I do baby say Jama Fojina. Yes, you make part of it. Robert, so Cote d'Ivoire, Cote d'Ivoire President Alassane Ouattara say, your man 5 million bet to part of Abidjan. Now over Tinakwa, near Sadi Jama Fodiachi. Shameless country. Nyantechi Elbu money. I give $2 million. That time not GMPC Nisi Communicato oil engineer of Nigeria. GMPC my $2 million. Nyantechi did $1.5 million from FIFA. Osan Jessica from Ghana government $1 million. One friendly match or Jessica from Nipa 3. DMPC boss Alex Mode Betina commission. Okatria mo say oje ya double payment refund. Refund the money na wuji tum. Don mama time mo say by way of forensic audit. Mo ko hwe ni fie ne niamam. Ode mo sa court awosre mo. Some go kobisa na do si ni wura fi. Na you are in Nyantechi's pocket. Yes. If you are not, come out. You are the president of Ghana. We respect you. You have achieved enough in your life. Dear BM na ope. But we are what doing now the $5 million here. And who did this as he can't get away? Until Nyantechi and Tower. You are building a nation of greed. Yankano crunch here, ma. Usi America ni akoda na ubisa say America dear na say symbol of liberty. Ya dear home. The president, POTUS, president of America, is the chief overlord. He's the best president in the world. Even Trump. Usi America, Nino, airport, Okutuka. Where are you coming from? Also, if you're the best country in the world, America. Why? Because everything there, I am ra. Usi Nyantechi, Ewo Dubaya, or say our president is worth $5 million. Shameless people. But for Anas Arimiao Anas, who? But for the tiger, who? Nyantechi has jailed journalists. I want to go to what? Tiomatu want to go to. Countless occasions say Nyantechi is involved in a lot of scandals. Me, Sadavi knows, I supported Nyantechi from 2006 up to 2009, and I'm going to say, Pano, he was clean. Until 2009, and I'm in here. Then I stopped. And from that 10 years in Yeno, I have never ever relented in my effort to liberate Ghana football. And I will never stop. 2008, only Dr. Abraham Boache, and you will be a friend of Boache or US. Ana Abraham watching a glow for man deal. And almost one man a bus. And was a moment sponsor Ghana national team no. Omo ni sa idea e kwa no say sa. Nigeria dey omo form. I was omo Ghana ye dey World Cup. Dr. Abraham fly to Ghana no be di nkomo a was omo form company. ABN Abraham Boate and Nantechi ABN marketing. Na mon fan form consortium. Na mon fan kwaje sponsorship no free grow. Na mon temo 10%, 15%. Over $1.5 million. Oninya Dr. Abraham Boate wona na wadamfo wa man supporter wadamfo pa. O start yin na o tu kwan o baba no 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 atuni wiase afa na ba bia ntina odi nachi. ABN company no Dr. Abraham Boate give Black Stars a check for friendly match or buy a Blue for sign contracts. Then me baba give me sponsorship. You say new blueness ABN sign. Hey, me na me the contract ba o say there be Africans. Me see na o so o sign deal no. Me see no so ye ko hu de e ko so. O de ko court. Court no ko here ya. Nyantachi deal wa change na ye na nanimo. Na nanimo wa che wo court from me bag ne be na me nyi che court documents. Ghana court atena siama obi oya president of FA waje atumu wo court say ni di kwasi Nyantachi aka nananimo on court document
Can you use AK?
waje nananimo no wa register on ID card e dey ate company act key part of the deal. Professor Irama Adi oya aduma wo meeting company no wate munye skampo Erasmus Kwao a friend with City FM live. And also professor o company ni me see ye hu online so na ye head director. Mon ma ko broker deal for GFA atwa am ko say ye broker deal. Ye agency dia. Ye construction ye ton blocks. Hey. One na dia dia kwa sign deal age no. Grofo bi di meeting. GFA communication director on me spelling meeting. Sabre no. Obi a company wa ba be broker deal. On spell already on me spell it. Sanyama wo nyina mo tena asemane abayo Ghana FA president Abrochire na the list of scandals of president we have former Ghana how bias no because he has money. We have created a society unika na unidan yes wo fra oba kra na ko ware na ma busi ofo ne ntiase because wo mo bra o manfo a yeni honesty sa koda sisu na unika ni dan a o mo bra nti yekro ma no bia peka pedan sa no ye respected nti wo fie 20 wo Tasakwa, Ubokro no say ya udu masalachi and a chief imam de Neselgunati, a moonty, a crom for mine. We are bonny or Ghana now cross sorry Tama. Soften himself when you're filthy. You have acquired a filthy money. So football defense. Oh, sorry, them. You do your examples. The motion papa is na mobra. So you need now what to act now. Sorry, what you young or my building or no. And do a fine gentleman. It is not by your looks. You are a fine gentleman because you have money. Money to spend in church. Money to contribute. And no more money to your money. You will need filthy money. That is why we respect in Ghana. Nyantachi Kuya. And yet, men more be a chimu fan Kamasemo. Men could be a chim. Then NDC power. NDC power no more say. Because Nyantachi was funding MPP that time. Walk up, Sika. San or Moka, Nil and Tevanda for Coco and Nido. Kodobonsu. And no more forming group say we know what is going on. NDC for within the FA. And no more come on, multiple say walk up, Sika, and or they funding. Entinana I want to be a starting a 208 no. Omo weni abana no so mbetu Nyantachi. NDC for nyama mo ye na mempe me support to kwasi that time. You could sign no. Omo so mo dey baby pele e for cast. Se Ghana abedi pele o cast abedi tima fobu. Abedi pele ball ni nipa ball okotina ba bi o be ka cho se kogogo. Abedi pele South Africa was to World Cup omo be nipa 6 said your man face. First person, Abedi Pele. Murad Fami Epekaf or Probia Dineti, first person, Abedi Pele. Ivory Coast to the co-work up or Probio by ambassador, first person, Abedi Pele. Abedi Pele bet Makotna Arabunia and said, met Mama 5 president $5 million in Timamico. Abedi Bella, ye penipa, or Mubebo Nasacronon. And this is somebody Abedi Pele come a calf. Randy Ambi, that time not your mama yet, vice president. na Professor Mills mo ye presidential meeting Africa president nyaba why busy Randiame eso Kwesi Nyantakyi nsa no de call do mama ho se bra ben do so Kwesi mai na omo dia bedi ko Randi de ne ko wie ya Randi abi adam fo pa ne Ibrahim mama nti okọ ya na do mama endoso no Nyantakyi gati position na he tried wa kiki Randi out then you are supposed to omo FA omo be hwe contract am since sign mo fun ye nhwe MP for time omo anhwem ade Kwesi Nyantakyi no timi ka che obi se o ya NDC ni Rachel Pepo NDC for chasing no okoya NDC party card so ya NDC from north dada o ya Usman o ya NDC MPP for chasing na osi Kwesi Nyantakyi papa ya santi am MPP dia na mo ye ono no play by smartness then again bibi ana me ba West Head NDC for ntumi no almost a shama ni di Yoko for court and you find a company in 50,000 500 million Yoko scandals for contractor wa cyber yenhwe wan fa ma yeso betutu omonyema muni kroma na FIFA for ye kotutu omonyema o Switzerland FIFA ye kotutu omonyema o Switzerland muni kroma na Spanish authorities omuko ye omuko tutu ahia Maria Villa office one ye ma che ne ba ene na contract anajo omodem 4 days. This is the only president in the history of Spain. Wadi Champions League, Wadi Europa Cup, Wadi World Cup, Wadi European Championship too. Spain in bida. Watching at him. And the World Cup player. Obian to me Vanessa and Cano. The Wadi World Cup no them. Omaya ya build you a cromano. Yoko, yes, I'm finding omo company no moko to Niamano. Ye tutu FIFA Niama. Ye tutu car for Niama or Egypt. Ye tutu Spain for Niama. Argentina efe ye tutu omuniama. Brazil ye tutu omuniama. Krono ewo football muntu obiani. America efe ye tutu omuniama da. Ghana ye betutu omuniama. Yoko Kwesi Sanjo omoko court ejisika. Odisika omumpuwa. Adia Yoko town no 1 year later. Ghana National Petroleum Company GNPC. Parastatal Company Omaye Company. Almost say ombe sponsor Black Star na go face takwa da man ko nti ombe so omde ombe bonye sa Black Star be ko form Black Star be ko form na say Ghana president John Mahama ko dina platform so say GNPC is coming on board we are paying 50 million for 5 years no agents alfe phone ko say dem a omusi en create agents no man ko fa company be West Head omo de beje sponsorship money Ato ahoy and say get away from there. We brought the company sponsorship. One the agent, mo be pay scar kodi. Every phone the abayan san kodi na court. Mo da so mo pese mo di sponsorship money. Enu bi na asi wo na na apia. Mensan. Xylophone cash no. Yen create company obi na dey buy so na obi na dey buy. Yen ni sika. Ye kotoko benya no. 50,000 no obi age 500,000. Ntini pa ba ko timi nya 500,000 na kotoko tim ni nyina nya 50,000 kotoko 40 kuruma se omu tim ni eguna otumfu was eka ho after West Head omo de abaya for court nya bibi anka fa ho Nyantakyi same person under this corruption then Nyantakyi ya go come Brazil 2014 World Cup you say corruption wa Ghana was 7 friendly matches ye draw back up ye lusu ni nyina Ghana team no Iran timi say 5 ya kwa hwemu se na Iran for na tua scam Ghana wo ka Bukari Damba Sempanyimfo ya kobo friendly matter ye ti kroma na jo sabe bi kroma dro ba ye dum kani na manfo aso bobo aso battery shape Ghana friendly ye dum kani o ni ya Pakistan ma Black Stars so mon kobo friendly ye ti hu hwa ni ya she Ghana trewa ni esu okroma se no makoton match no and the Kwesi Nyantakyi then Telegraph watching on tape Telegraph almost ko ka undercover na se de bia na kwa menkatia any foresight alasa almost say oh you better turn your matches Ghana matches here the mama mo na bet score line almost say eh na mukuro mo de shama amanfo ne di mata o se da bi Ghana for there no kom kwa na ti kuro mo di kom no mo di le mo ntino ye say o mekasa na dwona kwa wewe nwani wura mu na mo madwen asai ade a che o mu wura fi ti Ghana de nya o ma bi ade bi e besi bia no edi 1 month to crache 24 hours o mu wura be fi tu e mu ntue ska no ma ye mu nton ye matches na mo me kofre FA president na ba na ono so abe dia mo be sign was sign ya ton your matches on say eh if the president met match na meet you ya say you say neighbor omo free Kwesi Nyantakyi ofi Brazil no be share omo UK for this year no president will you sign the deal? Say yes, organize one in August. Just do a trial, organize, get a team for us. We see the first one. Pay money on organize the first one. Ghana for who abrofo na kwaya investigate. Do the kwaya ade oya. On the be good okruma. Omeka se come the no owo president. Nkofo channel 4 no sika o malo do telegraph on the sika che omo. Omo ya investigation. Anas the any kwaya papa che omo. Anas kuta video papa che telegraph. Omoche president of the FA. President, should we go ahead? Yeah. Sign. Organize 1 or 2 in August and September and let's see. What tears yes or beton Ghana. National team matches, friendlies. Yeah, chino. FIFA say internal matter. Monfanko GFA ethics committee. A honor start here or 2 shilling. Because ethics committee chairman and members or no one appointee or more. Or no one appointee ethics committee chairman. Na me not the producer no men amafao. My first year, Ben, you to feel on my zebra. I feel the mania some of our taste corner producers and Anka was them. Some of you made no new one, 2 amedition or not. The other can hope to be worth here. You guy. I dare think I almost say President is clean. You put 2 no money in the coin energy. Yabani omo. First, I tell us and say I feel the moon kind of crack. Nan 13 a G2. And I say, I didn't count him. Scandal. Then you come to Brazil. The mother of all scandals. Kwesi Nyantakyi take 577,500. $500,000. 1 man supporter on na 2 kwan wiase. Ko you can ebu so mo say one bet ma catch $30,000 say ni botum. Omo ni sika o. You wo sika share no $900. £1,000 go to me find so botum. Kwesi Nyantakyi take almost $600,000. $600,000. E share botum. Onko chama di pass ni. Obi abenya $85,000. 7 afa. Apology 577,500 or chairman past 7 into coefficient will be abenya 85 of real kwasha dema or creative patronage ni who of regular free kwasha dema George scanaba na jiwe kanya George bekwa kind $20,000 also 85 near money $20,000 I got $65,000 obi check $65,000 in Ghana currency mame $65,000 seconds papa yo Alisa Ojo ya ne dia no our Black Salmon Bank committee akokrai $65,000 no ay almost 300,000 Ghana cedis which means 3 billion nipa ba ku dia de onya 3 billion so nipa ba ku dia o seconds akokrai wababra minus $85,000 aja scanner ba na mechiche bia mankofo njude juwe kakra seconds ko kan ya $20,000 ofosu banfo no this send botum oni bibia aka wonya 65 from seconds wonya 65 from George nipa 7 no yesa ko hwe no ba kokura 2 years ago woye ade de kwa ghost name Jordan Agbla 2 years odinidi ko se Jordan Agbla wo Jordan Agbla de $85,000 e hwe botum nti odi aka 65 plus 65 plus 85 yen sign koni patre na aka no obi bi di 15,000 bi di Mr. Mano cheme wamba wanko Brazil no kra ono so de 85 plus 85 plus 65 plus 65 say $65,000 ni kwa $3.1 billion nipa trade plus 85 times 2 only nam say only nam 24 billion ansa no no de o chase kan wi no o say one sign Ghana amount $500,000 o say omo je no man sign aban say a list of people who took the money o say I shared it by the coefficient method Ghana for say yen so no ho yes so no or the almost $30 billion aguni go to okoko oh sameboa o tie mi o CID o betima ma police for test na o be fa mi say sia na ma to na o CID o commissioner president FI no omo an ko kan asem o de ko besi me list no family so on list ne ba ade nti o de omo ko court classes kan ko che ye kra ma president ne nko ko mu ya bidie to mama nko na no mu didi to mama de otum say corruption ne de na o de say wo di itinana so challenge o de Brazil na biem Ghana kobo friendly match. Ghana versus Holland. Holland, I invited Ghana to Rotterdam say kobo friendly match. Holland for Mike Siwe. Omo ko World Cup, omo pe African team. Omo ni Cote d'Ivoire le group. Omo pe West African team no mabo. No mo say ne Ghana mo. Ye ko hwe ye no, commission ye investigation. Holland for no fa ye dan ka, aduane ka, internal transport. And omo say ma accommodation 5-star hotel. Omo say to ye flight ticket e ma nipa 50. Omo wie ye no omo say ma ya appearance fee say ye nche. Holland for na fa ye ho ka say omra ye mo friendly. Na tachi twa letter de command payifo. Say ko bo friendly. Say omo ni nyansa payifo omo ni mbom. This is a kasiama onti afutuo okwa aso udi na tem. Oka no kra na wade ato. Omo ni mbom mama yarega ko onim kona. And omo sign man no omo man $1.5 million say Ghana ko bo World Cup preparation South Korea Holland. No ojisika no. Ojisika no o asan ko GMPC o Ghana ko bo friendly. O say Ghana ko bo World Cup na sabi jimi anti Kroma unikani akura ase World Cup ni ebo wi a o yare nyina abeko mmerewafo akoma yade owo so nyina de omusika na o makoto battery so mbe hwe World Cup omo akura ase omu ni sika kodo na omu de omusika e kwa kotua akota TV center kohwe wo nti e ko World Cup the passion the enthusiasm na Ghana for adwene asei na nyante tibedi GMPC for sika $2 million Alex Wood na sign 1.5 na FIFA so di come $1.5 million for preparation. Nti na friendly matches no ye ya amfre obi amakuruma o mafre ya ma esika so our pocket and wasaje 1.5 from FIFA and wasaje $2 million from GMPC waje $1 million from Ghana government Holland ye na omde ma na omasa fa ho ka no e woni ho of a political campaign over a vice president sika no left right center or jini nyina owie ya no and wo de kotna Holland or the $900,000 free Ghana. Okay, you don't need an ass. One no commission or beka or almost sika when you na one sign or say my lord, I'm sorry. Okay, we na unsenyante next time member this in mum commendation and ban sika na we di nyina no. Bra, refunded by way of forensic audit. Senya krono na mpese mo budget ene wakasa ma na to makoma so. Mo mpese mo bo nyansa krono a mo ye commission. Mo wi asika no wankwa famra. Mo sa kwa bia na biodiem. Commission na fo ye omo kwabo so se e Brazil. Omo kwadom from her to Atimota market. 20 minutes drive. Omo se omo hu dom no market njo omo probi. Brazil ni na okwache omo no omo $20,000 calculate mame. Ejom $20,000 no ati omo 20 minutes drive. Omo kwa koto nnuane dia ba. Nnuane omo ni free Ghana ha ko ye na $50,000 local food staff. World Cup bako $20,000, $90,000, $900 million. Adiachi yes adwom ho abi mo sa akọ ne ma papa ne sa akọ kire omo 2 days separate $20,000 adwa bako omo kọ kire omo adiachi omo sa akọ dwom obi yes akọ kire no nipa ne $40,000 for 2 visits to market. How $900 million plus $900 million $180 million Brazil ni wa jeji sikari edi play mu ko Brazil no the Bank of Ghana dey try say $4.5 million. Say abine de kono bullion van omo di Sophie necessary scan from Bank of Ghana. Say week no na grab focus strike